control. But please do have service in English and French. The federal government of Canada requires that all passengers over 2 years of age must wear a face mask at all times while on board. This applies to all travelers, including those who are vaccinated, fully recovered, or tested. Refusal to comply with the wearing of the face mask could result in a fine of money.
423 service to Toronto, and we're all set to go. We're actually just waiting for a maintenance release that's due on this aircraft. It's just a paperwork issue, and we should be receiving it on our data link communication system here fairly shortly, but we do have to wait until we receive that before we can push back for departure. So we're expecting it in the next few minutes. Once we are airborne, expecting an hour en route to Toronto at 28,000 feet. And the weather in Toronto, it's cloudy skies, and right now 11 degrees Celsius. Hope you enjoy flying with Air Canada. Please sit back, relax, enjoy the flight.
Prepare for departure and cross-check. You okay? Okay. Do 3 arm this check. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry, I was doing yours too.
I know it hurts. Yeah.
Your safety is our top priority. We do ask that you please take a moment to watch the following safety video outlining the safety procedures of this aircraft. At this time, headsets connected to a portable electronic device must be removed.
Votre sécurité est notre priorité. Veuillez prendre le temps de regarder notre vidéo sur les mesures de sécurité. Les écouteurs branchés à un appareil électronique portatif doivent maintenant être retirés.
En prévision du décollage, prenez soin de vous asseoir confortablement, de redresser le dossier de votre siège et de ranger la tablette.
You must lay your seatbelt when the seatbelt sign has been turned on, and we suggest wearing it even when the sign is turned off.
Vous devez porter votre ceinture lorsque la consigne des ceintures est allumée, mais nous vous suggérons de la porter même lorsque la consigne est éteinte.
Fasten your seatbelt by adjusting it around your hips. To release it, lift the upper portion or press on the release button.
Attachez votre ceinture et ajustez-la autour de vos hanches. Son attache en métal et soulevez-la. La courroie d'épaule est
Degree to 42.
le roulage, le décollage et l'atterrissage.
Seatbelt and no smoking signs are located throughout the aircraft. Please comply with them at all times.
Les consignes de ceinture et d'interdiction de fumer se trouvent à différents endroits dans l'avion. Veuillez les respecter en tout temps.
It is prohibited.
Press the release button. the aircraft. Leave your personal belongings behind and follow the seat-mounted lighting. Lorsque la consignation est allumée, et nous vous suggérons de la porter même lorsque elle est éteinte. Attachez votre ceinture et ajustez-la autour de vos hanches pour la détacher. Soulevez la pièce qui recouvre la boucle ou appuyez sur le bouton. Si votre siège est équipé avec un couloir, position for takeoff. Thank you.
aircanadawifi.com in the address bar. Please note that the use of voice applications is never permitted in flight. Thank you for choosing Air Canada. Enjoy your flight.